Okay, to make sure that we get all the right questions asked, we've created this model on the right-hand side. And we start asking the questions of, I want to know what customers by install base, by activation code, by product, by SKU, we need to go after. I need to ID the buyers by business decision maker, by product, by date, by location, by SIC code or NAICS code. So these are the questions we ask. The hexagons surrounding those questions are the pivot points that you would have, or the data areas we need to work on. Now on the left-hand side, you can see the external data sources and internal data sources that we may want to use in order to be able to answer those questions. So from a solution design and execution standpoint, you have to make sure you ask the right questions. And how will this, questions like, how will this drive the revenue quicker? And why will this give us greater customer insight? And not ask the questions, what are we trying to do here? And where are the customers and where's the data? Because that's not going to get you to where you need to be. You're going to have a clear understanding of what's going on in that customer's market and with their competitors. Bruce? The next thing to make sure we do, if you remember on the right-hand side of our example was data. And here we're looking at the same type of data that has to be formatted properly to drive your next most likely purchase. You can see under data sources, the ERP is a circle. If you look in the center column, you'll see under customer that's a circle. So data does not get into your data model unless it's shaped the right way. So data shaping is crucial to make sure that we can have clean data and actionable data all the time. So what was the outcome? The delivery time took about 2 weeks. We operationalized it in about a month. And 6 months later, we had a conversation with that vice president, and he was $1 billion over quota. $1 billion over quota, because we focused on what the customer would buy next. What did he get? He got bonused. And he's now the president of another very large software company here in North America. So congratulations to those guys. This is exciting. These outcomes are just absolutely phenomenal in terms of success.